Hi, hello there. This is what we're gonna do today is how to easy install the knob in the bathroom. So if this is the secure lock, and this is the pin that you can unlock it. Just puncture with like the Allen wrench as well. Easy to do it. And to disassemble here, too easy too. There's two screws right there. 1, 2. Remove that, and also another 2 Allen wrench screw socket right there. Just the rope right there. So yeah, just remove that, and it will be automatically remove these 2 knobs, and you can easily remove it. By the way, you're gonna remove this first pin, which is screw type, and remove this plate right here. It will easy to remove everything on the 2 screws. Remove these 2 screws right here and pull this bit. Yeah, that's all so easy. So good luck. This is the knob for Baldwin bathroom knob door. Alright.